Hello, I'm Oliver Jeffers, and I'm an artist.
And I'm Professor Stephen Smart, and I'm an astrophysicist.
For centuries, we humans have defined ourselves by who we are
And who we're not.
by which side we support, by where we stand, by who and what we fight for, by what we believe.
Quite simply, we divide ourselves into us and them.
And all too often we get entirely hung up on these labels. Coming from Northern Ireland, we know all about this. I lived in New York City now for the last 15 years, and with distance comes perspective.
But how much distance?
Well, about 3,000 miles.
But that's to New York. If you go straight up, the International Space Station is 240 miles away.
And from there, astronauts begin to experience the overview effect, where it's just obvious that our planet is one giant single system.
To the moon, it's nearly 250,000 miles.
And only 12 people have ever made it that far and stood on the moon. From there, you can't actually see anything man-made at all.
If we go even further, our nearest planet, Venus, it's 26 million miles, and Venus is about the size of the Earth.
Hold on, our nearest planet is 26 million miles away?
Yeah, that's right.
What about the furthest planet?
Well, that's Neptune. That's about 2.6 billion miles.
I thought Pluto was the furthest planet.
Well, it's a dwarf planet. You sort of don't count it anymore. But to get to the edge of the solar system, you need to travel 9 billion miles.
It's kind of hard to comprehend just how much space there is in space. It's almost impossible to have a scale model of our solar system. If Earth were the size of a ping pong ball,
The moon would be the size of a pea, about a meter distance.
is that a meter?
Here we are.
Find out.
Perfect.
Yeah, okay.
And on this scale, the furthest planet, Neptune, would be about the size of a small melon,
I happen to have one right here. And how far away would this be?
about 8 miles.
8 miles, right, okay. So what would happen if we could view ourselves alone on a tiny planet, the only one that can harbour life, from the far reaches of our solar system?
Well, we intend to find out. And our prediction is, with enough distance, us and them simply become